హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే అండి. ఈరోజు 10th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ న్యూ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ 6th లెసన్ మిస్బిల్ ద ఆటర్ అనే లెసన్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్ వచ్చేసి క్రాస్డ్ మై మైండ్, కేమ్ ఇంటూ మై మైండ్, ఏ స్టోన్స్ త్రో, ఏ వెరీ షార్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్, cabled, sent a message by telegraph, squirmed, twisted about, thraldom, being under the control of, fixation, a very strong attachment or feeling, medievally conceived, an imagination of the Middle Ages, crossed my mind, came into my mind, a stone's throw, a very short distance, cabled, sent a message by telegraph, squirmed, sent, twisted about, thraldom, being under the control of, fixation, a very strong attachment or feeling, medievally conceived, an imagination of the Middle Ages, christened, named, hostile, unfriendly, aloof and indifferent, keeping a distance, apathy, absence of interest, so to speak, as it were, provoking, causing anger or some other reaction, tumbling, trying to do something in a clumsy manner, flick, a quick light movement, dreaded the prospect, was in great fear of something that would happen in the future, dread the prospect, was in great fear of something that would happen in the future, an appalling spectacle, a shocking sense, whipped off, quickly took off, ricochetting bullet, a bullet which changes direction after hunting a surface, infuriated, very angry, took her into my confidence, shared with her my experiences or secrets, portly, stout, bounded onto, climbed up quickly, nuzzle, to rub gently with the nose, terrapin shell, the shell of small turtle found in North America, engrossed, completely interested in, ambush, to attack suddenly from a hidden position, compulsive habits, habits impossible to control, upright, post or rod placed straight up, distraction, something that takes away one's attention from what one is doing, whereas of Conjectural questions. A stream of questions filled with guesses.